Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your PayPal username. So, let's get started. To find your PayPal username, first of all, open your preferred browser on your Android phone and go to the official PayPal website at paypal.com. Once the page loads, log in to your PayPal account with your email address and password. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your account homepage. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines located in the top left corner of the page. This will open a menu with various options. From this menu, tap on Settings to go to your account settings. In the Settings section, look for your profile icon, and just below that, you will find your PayPal username. And that's it. Now you know how to find your PayPal username. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.